This is a short video on how to create a hyperlink in Excel so that you can link other tabs on one tab, which you can then reference to other tabs in a Excel workbook. So here, the information that I have here is on this worksheet. So I have several tabs that I have here. The first tab is summary. Then we have monthly tabs, which are January up to December. So here, as you can see, for our on our summary sheet, we have month and sales. So for this 147, we are picking it from this tab, which is the January tab, which is this data, that is day from 1st of January up until the 31st of January. And we have calculated the units price and the value and the total here, which is £147,000. And this £147,000, that's the amount that we have here. So for the purpose of presentation, we might need probably want to link it to particular tab on which we are referring this amount from. So here, for us to insert a link, right, what we need to do is to put our cursor here in this tab in which we want to insert our link. And we then go to insert and we go to link, and we then have a drop down here, and we then say insert a link. So from insert a link, we have several options that we have here: existing file, place in this document, create a new document, email address. But in this case, we want to place in this document, and we then see all the tabs that are within our workbook. So in this instance, we want the January. That's what we want. So we then pick January, and then we hit OK. And then now we have our link. So when you click to this link, it automatically directs you to this tab, which is the January tab, which is the one that we have linked. So this is the a simple short video on how to create a simple link in Excel.